see how these back seats held up after gluing them with Gorilla Glue onto the Velcro pads for like 24-ish hours. Right here you guys can see I used the actual rear seat, propped it up just to be able to give a little more pressure back here, because I think that's what was missing. It was missing a little pressure so that it could actually like push against the glue and stay firm. Before I was just using tape and the tape wasn't really doing it. So let's see. Okay. Please don't fall. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Huh. Okay, it's a little loose here. I think the glue might have been missing a little bit on that side, but that's fine. Over here, oh my. That is firm. I can tug